Fix Windows Update Error 0xc1900403. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Run the Windows Update Troubleshooter. The built-in troubleshooter can detect and fix issues preventing updates from installing. If that didn't work, Fix 2. Use the Fix Problems using Windows Update feature. There, you should see the Fix Problems using Windows Update option. Click Reinstall now. Follow the on-screen instructions to finish the process. Wait till the computer restarts and try installing the Windows Update again. If that didn't work, Fix 3. Restart your computer. A simple restart can resolve temporary glitches affecting the update process. Insufficient disk space can prevent updates from installing properly. If that didn't work, Fix 5. Repair corrupted files. Corrupted system files can block updates, and repairing them can help. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed. If that didn't work, open Notepad. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Now right-click on that file and click on Run as Administration. Type Y and press Enter. Now restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.